Here I have ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the phone's dialer, and in order to have quick access to the IMEI information, let's use this code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI information just pops up in front of you, so you can here read the IMEI number of your device and you can also read the barcodes. That's it. Tap OK to close this window, and if you would like to get access to IMEI and also serial number, let's use settings. So let's find and select settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here let's choose about phone, and as you can see, here you have to tap status. So here you've got access to the serial number, to Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and here you can also tap IMEI information to read the IMEI info about your device. So that's it, you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.